Next drink is an LCC cult classic, a new drink that we brought to our menus last year and we haven't been able to take off. That is the fortune cookie. Served in a rice bowl, served with a fortune cookie. This is one of my favorite drinks. We're gonna start off with our tin, but we're gonna add 20 mils of St-Germain Elderflower liqueur. Now the Elderflower is gonna complement really well with our passion fruit, which is our next ingredient. Just again, 20 mils of that too, into the bottom of our tins. Now again, this is quite sour, but we are gonna have a little bit of lime juice just to give us that lovely lime oil peel style essence and flavor. It's really gonna add an extra dimension. Now to sweeten it up slightly, there's some sweetness in the elderflower, but also I'm just gonna add a touch of 1-to-1 sugar syrup. 1 part sugar, 1 part water, into the bottom of there, and that's really gonna bind everything together. Now my last ingredient is also one of my most important. I'm using Bombay Sapphire gin, 30 mils of this. That's gonna add a load of flavor to the drink. It's also gonna dry it out slightly. Think of all those lemon peels, the licorice, all those amazing flavors of Bombay Sapphire. They're all together now, so I'm gonna give this a quick mix. Nice amount of ice. Give it a quick taste. It's perfect every time. Add some ice to your rice bowl. Ice and rice. And then it's just nice and easy to single strain this over the top. Now, of course, a fortune cookie wouldn't be complete without a fortune cookie. But also, just for a little bit of an extra bit of banter, chopsticks, sticks out, straws in. And that is the London Cocktail Club's fortune cookie. Hope you like it.